Hello guys, welcome to my channel Moneymaker 001. And this video I'm going to show you a really interesting new method to make a ton of money online. Now this is something which has now been done before and not anyone until today has created video showing you this particular strategy to make some ton of money online. Okay, this is really interesting and anyone can do it absolutely with even zero followers, so you don't need so many of the followers to do this strategy, but still you can make a lot of money with this. Okay, so all you need to do is stay tuned into this video until the end and you will be revealed the entirely awesome strategy with which you can make a ton of money. And this is something which is really working. I have tested it out and it works really awesome. So now let's get started into the strategy. I will show you the entire thing step by step, so do stick till the end into this video because I want you to make most amount of money and it's really important. Okay, so now let's dive into the content. So the first thing is that we are going to utilize a platform which not most of the people are using nowadays. Okay, maybe they are using, but still it's not that damn popular as YouTube is, but still you can make a ton of money with that platform. Most of the people, there is very low competition, most of the people are not using it. I don't know why, but still there is a great opportunity for you to make a ton of money out of it. And the best thing about that platform is something which I'm gonna reveal to you in this video, so watch this video till the end. So we came to YouTube. Now all you need to do is you just need to find a clickbank product of your choice. Okay, so I just found this clickbank product which I have promoted in the past, that is Manifestation Magic. It's a 2.0 version for now. Okay, so we will be promoting this product. And how we will be promoting this product, this is something which is really interesting. Not most of the people are doing this. Okay, so we have just selected a product. Now all you need to do is copy the affiliate link of this product and then shorten it using bit.ly. That's something which most of the people of you know, and that's the reason why I'm not gonna show you what you have to do with it. Okay, so all you need to do is click on the promote button, grab your affiliate link and just shorten it using bit.ly or any of the software URL shortener, whichever you like. Okay, so that's something which is done. The first step is complete. You have found a product. Now the thing is that you need to search here. You just have to search Manifestation Magic Review. Okay, so all you need to do is search for Manifestation Magic Review. Now what will happen is all those videos will pop up in front of you, and in some of the videos there is absolutely no text. Okay, so all you need to do is, there is no person who's there in this video. Now what you can do is you can just take this video, just click on this video, and
in this review video,
so in this video they are showing you the secrets about Manifestation Magic program. Okay, so what is the program, and there is an entire review. Okay, so we are not going to create this type of videos. Instead we are going to use this. Okay, we are going to use this video and we are going to take this video to a very new and interesting platform which has got a lot of audience. And what we are going to do is download this video and re-upload this video to that particular platform. So all you need to do is just click on the share button and just copy the link. Okay, so this is the link which we need to copy. Once you have copied this link, all you need to do is go to ytmp3.cc. So this is a website from where you can probably download any of the YouTube videos. Now we are promoting a particular product, that's the reason why we have found this particular link. Okay, you just have to press convert. We press on this convert button and then you can download this video. Okay, so the thing is that you have downloaded your video. The first step is to get your affiliate link. The second step is you need to download this video, and the second step has been completed. You can download this video from this website ytmp3.cc. now all you need to do is click on the download button. I have already downloaded this video or another video which I have been using. Okay, so that's something which you need to do. So your step is completed. You have got the video, you have got the product which you are gonna promote, and its affiliate link. Okay, so the first two steps are completed. Now you just need to do the third step, and that's something which is really awesome, and I'm gonna reveal to you what is that particular platform which you are gonna use. All you need to do is go to Instagram. No, we are not going to make this type of Instagram page. Okay, this is one of my Instagram page which I am using, but you don't need to make this Instagram page, or if it's your choice, you can make this type of Instagram page. But one of the things about this type of Instagram page is that all this post, you can see this posts. Okay, this posts are not are getting some engagement, but still these posts aren't able to generate any sales. Okay, but if you really want to generate sales with your Instagram post, then you just need to use this is IGTV. Just click on this IGTV. Now the video which you have already downloaded, okay, now you can post that video into your Instagram profile and as an IGTV video, and you can provide your affiliate link in the bio. Okay, so if someone is interested in this program, he will watch your entire IGTV video and take all the details about this particular program. Okay, so all you need to do is download that and re-upload it to your Instagram IGTV. That's really simple that you can do with your smartphone. Okay, so let me show you something really interesting. The most interesting thing about this is that I have made this, downloaded that video and uploaded that video over here. So you can see this is the entire video of 7 minutes. Now the thing is that this video has been uploaded just 2 hours ago and it has got 11 views. Okay, so just try and understand, Instagram is an algorithm which works on hashtags, and that's the reason why you can get a lot of views on this type of videos. Instagram has been pushing IGTV videos to more and more people, and that's the reason why you are gonna get traffic to your Instagram video. Day by day it's gonna increase in traffic. Day by day more and more people are going to watch this video, and if after watching this video they are gonna visit your profile and they are gonna click on this link and buy this product, and you can earn some really sweet commissions. And that's how the strategy works. Why I am saying IGTV is really awesome, because most of the people are not using IGTV, but and that's the reason why Instagram is providing a lot of reach. Okay, on IGTV your videos are gonna reach a lot more people in a very short period of time using IGTV. Okay, so that's something which is awesome. And the thing is that you can just re-upload the YouTube videos to your IGTV and you won't have any problems of copyright. Okay, don't use the videos in which some particular person is showing his face. Okay, but you can use this type of videos which is just a text and a voiceover. Okay, so you can just download these videos, upload it to your IGTV profile, even if you have got 0 followers. The thing is that due to hashtags, Instagram posts and Instagram videos get a lot of viewers, and that's the reason why you can make a ton of money doing this very simple strategy. Now you can upload multiple videos regarding law of attraction and all this stuff in your Instagram page, even though you have got 0 followers. The thing is that IGTV is really great platform and your video reaches so many people in a very short period of time. That's the reason why you are gonna get you are quickly gonna get a lot of followers on your Instagram page, and you are from that gonna earn a lot of money as you are promoting a particular product, and you are also providing a value by providing a video which is a review of that particular product. And that's the reason why audience is gonna trust you and they will prefer to buy that particular product from you. And in this way you can make a ton of money doing this very simple strategy. Now the thing is that most of the people are not using this strategy. and that's the reason why there is a huge opportunity for you to make a ton of money with this strategy. And that's something which is really awesome. Not everybody is doing this. It's really very unsaturated, and that's the reason why there is a huge chance to make a big chunk of money doing this very simple strategy. All you need to do is copy paste videos, and you can make affiliate commissions out of those copy paste videos. This is something which I wanted to reveal to you. This is something which I wanted to share with you so that you can make ton of money online. You can make a bank online. All you need to do is just take on all the strategies, take action on the strategies which I show you on my YouTube channel. These are really something which is unique strategies which I never share, which I'm sharing with you absolutely for free without promoting any of the products to you. Or even if I promote any of the products, that's something which I'm personally using and getting some results with. Only and only then I will be promoting some of the products to you if I really found those products valuable. So if you got some value out of this video, press the like button, smash the subscribe button, as well as you can also follow me on Instagram, and there's a link in the description of my Instagram. Okay, so you can follow me over there, and there will be a lot of content on Instagram which you can see and get a lot of motivation, and you can get a lot of value from that my Instagram page also. So do follow my Instagram page, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you can also check out all these other videos on my channel. They will provide you a ton of value about how to make money online and all that stuff so that you can make some awesome money online. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.